Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I just want to give you a quick video to show you up close and personal these Hue Anthony. They are a solar powered LED strawberry shaped light. They've got a little hook on each one to where you can hook them to your, just whatever you have, and that may be a zip tie or that may be a little nail. You can see the hook right there. But yeah, these are absolutely beautiful, and the fact that they're not going to be busting your electric bill is going to be a real deal. So what's so fantastic about them is that they run off the power of the sun. They're beautiful. They'll store up the energy during the day and they'll run all night for you. And they are really a beautiful design with a lot of cool colors. I love the fact that they are in that strawberry shape. As somebody who lives right next to Plant City, Florida, this is a festive way to celebrate the Strawberry Festival. But if you're looking to really make the outside of your house shine, these are waterproof, they're ready to go, and they're incredibly beautiful. So go ahead and pick them up, folks, for yourself. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that are really cool and we think you're gonna love. They give you plenty. You can piggyback them and put them all around the house. All right, thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.